Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ruan from Annelise's Custom Boutique. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to customize a canvas makeup bag using heat transfer vinyl and the Easy Press Mini. For this project, I will be using a canvas bag of dimensions 12.5 inches by 7 inches. But you can use any canvas bag that you wish. And of course, I have my vinyl decal already cut. This is a simple layered project of 2 layers, so I have cut out my 2 layers already. I have my ruler to make sure my measurements are accurate, and of course I have my handy Teflon sheet with me to protect my design. I have already set my Easy Press Mini on the highest setting, and that is about 319 degrees Fahrenheit. So that is already heated up and is ready to go. Now be careful if you are using the Easy Press Mini because this item is very hot. I am only using this tool because it's a small surface to work with. Had it been a larger surface, I will use my heat press. But the Easy Press Mini works super great for small surfaces, and I absolutely love using this tool. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is laying down my first layer of vinyl decal onto the canvas makeup bag. I'm just eyeballing where to place it, and then I will be using my ruler to fix the design. Now before I lay it down, I usually like to push out the base of the bag to make sure that I have a proper lay so that when I press the item, the vinyl is going to be adhered properly to the surface. So I'm just adjusting the base of the bag here, and then I will put down my design. Sometimes working with this bag, you have to toggle with it a little bit so that it lays properly for you to press it. Because if it doesn't lay properly, your design can raise up. So I'm just going to eyeball where the design is going to go. And then I'm going to be using my ruler just to measure both sides to make sure that it's equal. And that's what you guys are seeing me doing here. After which I will be placing on the Teflon sheet to protect the bag as well as to protect the design as I work with the Easy Press Mini. And using the Easy Press Mini, I'm just going to press all over the areas that have the decal, and I will be applying medium pressure for 15 seconds per spot. I like to do this several times because it ensures that the vinyl sticks onto the bag properly, because I don't want it raising up after some time. So I'm just going to be making circles around this spot to ensure that the vinyl is adhered properly to the canvas bag. And of course, with each press, I'm going to be applying medium pressure and doing it for 15 seconds and then repeat again. So I have to ensure that the entire design is pressed. Right, so I'm just moving the Teflon sheet now, and this is a hot peel, and by hot peel I mean I have to actually peel the vinyl protector sheet whilst the vinyl is still hot. My second layer I will be laying it on now. With layered designs, you have to put down layer 1 first and then layer 2, making sure it's where it's supposed to be. And it's always good in this instance to use your ruler or whatever measuring tool that you have to measure the distance to make sure that it's equal. So I am using my ruler for this at this point. And then I will be laying down my Teflon sheet once more and pressing the area, applying medium pressure for 15 seconds. I do it 15 seconds at a time, but sometimes you could do it for a greater length of time. Each type of vinyl has its own amount of pressure that you have to apply and the time slot for which you have to apply this amount of pressure. So I'm just checking the design to make sure it's okay. And this is a cold peel, so I have to wait until it's completely cool before I pull back the protector sheet. So I'm just pressing it one more time to make sure it's adhered properly, and then I'm going to remove the protector sheet as soon as it cools down. I was looking at the project and I realized that I needed to press it a little more. So I'm just going around the project and pressing it a couple more times. I mean, the longer that you press it, it adheres more, right? You just have to make sure that you don't burn the vinyl in any way. So I looked at it and I thought to myself, I'm going to do it for a little longer time. So I'm just checking the second layer here to make sure that it's cooled down. And when it's completely cool, then I'll remove the protector sheet. One tip to note, when you're working with heat transfer vinyl, you usually have to see the material through the vinyl after you've pressed it. And this gives you an idea that it is pressed properly and adhered properly. So I'm just looking at the word always there and I'm realizing like the top needs a little more pressing, so I'm just going to press in the top a little bit. And that is it. And I am seeing what I want to see, so I know that it's finished. And my second layer is now completely cool, so I'm just going to pull off the protector sheet. And my design is finished. So I'm just going to fix the inside of the bag now and put it back in the way that it's supposed to. And my design is complete. And there you have it, guys. A customized canvas makeup bag. So thank you guys for watching. And I am hopeful that you would have enjoyed today's video and today's project. It's always good to share this with you. So guys, feel free to like, feel free to comment, and of course, if you have not subscribed to our channel as yet, feel free to hit that subscribe button and to share our projects with your friends. We will be grateful if you can do so. And all our stores links are in the description box below. So guys, be sure to check that out. And I will chat with you in our next video. Thank you once again for watching, and goodbye.